Most AI tools sound clever until you actually ask them to get some work done. If your business still relies on logging in, clicking, scrolling, warming up accounts, and filling in forms, this is exactly the sort of thing AI should already be taking care of. Most AI tools these days are focused on thinking or writing. They generate text, ideas, or suggestions, but that's where it ends. The real issue for businesses isn't a shortage of ideas, it's the huge amount of time spent doing repetitive browser tasks every single day. Logging into accounts, clicking through pages, filling in forms, monitoring websites, and carrying out routine online actions all take up time and attention. The next browser addresses this very gap by taking care of the actual execution layer, the work that happens inside a real browser. Rather than just telling you what to do, it actually does the work for you, which is where businesses notice genuine time savings. What makes Next Browser particularly powerful is that automation is carried out using plain English rather than code, scripts, or complicated workflows. You simply describe what you want done, just as you would explain it to a human assistant. This removes a major barrier for non-technical business owners who want automation but don't want to learn programming. By typing clear instructions, you can automate real-world browser tasks that would normally require hands-on effort, making automation accessible rather than intimidating. Next Browser is designed to handle multiple accounts, which is absolutely vital for businesses operating at scale. Each profile within Next Browser functions as a completely separate digital identity, with its own browser fingerprint, cookies, and session data. This means logging into one account doesn't affect or expose any other. By pairing profiles with proxies or specific locations, businesses can run multiple accounts without actually triggering any flares or security warnings. This is particularly important for teams managing social media, e-commerce, advertising, or client accounts, where account safety and separation are absolutely essential. Next Browser doesn't just execute tasks once. It enables you to schedule them to run daily, weekly, or according to a custom timeline. This transforms repetitive work into a background process that takes place automatically without the need for supervision. What makes this particularly valuable is that tasks are carried out in a real browser with human-like behavior, including natural typing, scrolling, and clicking. Rather than having to constantly oversee automation or manually repeat tasks, business owners can let Next Browser run in the background even while they're asleep, freeing up time for more valuable work. So, a couple of additional points. It works on real websites, not just APIs. It's useful for outreach, SEO operations, account warm-up, and monitoring. It's also designed for entrepreneurs and operators, not just hobbyist automation. So if you run a genuine online business and still spend hours in a browser, give Next Browser a try. Test out one workflow. Replace one irritating task. That's how you'll know if it's worth it.